Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So here's a new video for you all. So before going to the video, do click on the bell icon so that you won't miss any updates from my channel. So guys, today's painting is gonna be a canvas painting, and I'm gonna draw this nice abstract Ganesha painting onto a 30 by 40 canvas. So let's get started. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is a 30 by 40 pre-primed canvas from Camel, and let me show you. It's already pre-primed, no need to prime the canvas. So I'm gonna take out this paper. I just drew some rough sketches on that, the way my painting is gonna be. So now what we'll do here is, firstly we want to make sure that where are the different patterns and the design will go. So if you guys are more confident with your painting, you can just skip the pencil part and start doing this with the watercolors, or sorry, the acrylics. But I was not sure, so I just made some rough drawing and lines here and there to make sure that my sketches or whatever I'm gonna paint, it will be on the right spot on the canvas. So I'm just making sure, I'm just drawing it roughly and very light, with a very light head. So you can do this, or either you can skip this and just go directly to the acrylic painting. So I think it's better to make a rough drawing of your painting first, like this, the way I did. So now I'm using some acrylic paints of different brand. There's no particular brand I'm using. Some of them are from Camel, and some of them are from Deco Art. And first I'm gonna just roughly the way this canvas painting will proceed, it's gonna, in beginning it's gonna just look like it's a mess, it's all messy and all, it's not looking much nicer. But this is how the art should be. It just build up slowly, so you can't judge a painting just by looking at the previous steps. So just bear with me, watch the full video and see the whole process, and it turned out to be real nice. I just saw this actually on Pinterest, and I really loved the painting. I don't know the exact name of the painter because it was drawn by so many people, but it's not the exact painting. I just made few changes and I'll show you in the end. Just keep looking at my process. The whole process is mine, and I don't know how it needed, how it was supposed to be, but this is how I thought that it will look good. So I'm just choosing my own colors, some yellows, oranges and reds, and keep building the layers one by one. Just don't jump onto a dark color first. Just build your layers from lighter shade to darker. It is better to just go from light shade to dark, because otherwise in beginning if you use darker shades, then it's very hard to go on to the lighter shade from there. But you can anytime you can change the light to dark color. Okay guys, so this is what I'm gonna do. These are the the space that I'm leaving here is for the modak that Ganesh is holding in his hand. Then we're gonna paint it later. First I'm just painting all that darker colors here and there. guys, as you can see now the painting is coming together, and you can see all the different colors and layers that I have used here. And make sure that whatever you do, just there should be, you know, nice feel of an abstract to the painting. So that's why I'm just using sometimes a sponge to dab and to make some different raw kind of pattern here and there. So just to give it a nice abstract feel. Later I will make some designs on it, but here I'm using some paint marker. If you want to use acrylic brush and all, and that's your choice, but I think I'm much more handy with the paint marker, so I'm using those. I can control them much better than a fine acrylic brush, so that's why. So later we will make some nice patterns here and there, and these are the portion, like on the left side I'm gonna leave it only for making some nice patterns. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some red color. So this red color is little bit lighter than the red that I used on the canvas, so it will look like a lighter shade is drawn on the darker shade of red. So either you can, what you can do is you can either use it just white background, or a white pen, or sorry, not a white pen, a white marker, or make a mandala instead of these small flowery things that I made, or other than that you can just leave it blank, it doesn't matter. Or there's one more idea that I thought I'm gonna just paint some nice black polka dots here and there, but then I settled on this design. So I think I'm just gonna write something here in Hindi. So first I need to go and find some nice names on internet for Ganesha. So I wrote Ganeshaya Nama, Lambodha, Ekadanta, Vakrtunda Mahakaya. So here and there just some nice different names of Ganesha, and some nice Sanskrit what do you call this mantra, Ganeshaya Nama, like that. So either if you don't want to do this part, you can just leave this as such, even the painting will look nice in that way also. But I liked it the way it was, the way it felt, that it's more spiritually sound, it looks more spiritually sound, and I wanted the painting to just ooze spirituality a lot, so that's why. So I liked it this the way I did it, but you can choose whatever you want to do. I just painted some gold spirals here and there with later, which I forgot to tell you about. So as you can see, I made some changes in the end, and now this is what it looks like, and I really loved it. If you want to try this, guys, do try this at home, and do share your views with me, and do tell me what you think about the painting, and anything else you want me to draw for you guys. Till then, bye bye, see you next time. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and give me a huge thumbs up, guys. Till then, bye bye, see you next time.